Hi, I'm Hamid, Frank Waters Project Manager, and I'm just going to take you inside a project and explain a little bit more about our filtration process that provides clean, safe water to the villages. And we will start off with our sand filter. The water comes from the raw water source, and the source is normally a bore well, or it can be an open well. And it comes from the raw water source into the sand filter first of all, and this removes the bigger visual and physical particles. The water then goes into the carbon filter, which means that the particles get smaller and smaller in the filtration. And then what we have is the micron 5 and the micron 1. Like I said, the filtration process removes the bigger particles first of all, and then it goes into the smaller and smaller particles. So we have the 5 and 1 micron filters, and we shall move over to the reverse osmosis membrane, and that is really the heart of the filtration process. And the reverse osmosis removes all the chemical contaminants within the water, and particularly within the projects we're working in, that's removal of the fluoride, which causes fluorosis amongst villagers. Once the water's gone through these 4 processes, it goes into the clean water tanks, which you can see here. And we have 2 tanks because this is a bigger capacity machine, because this is a bigger village. And once the water goes through here, it goes through a final filtration process, and that's the UV filter, and that's a final surety that the water is clean, and the UV will take out the final bits of biological contamination that might be in the tanks because the water has been in them for a few hours. Once the water goes through the UV, it then goes outside into the water taps, where then it is dispersed to the community when they come to collect their water.